Bb.Shortcut, Backcombing for Volume with BB Pro Kelly. Working with second day hair, take a mohawk section, using the arch of your brow as a guide. Clip remaining hair out of your way. Working from back to front, take a horizontal section 1 inch wide. Using a fine-tooth comb, place the comb into the hair 2 to 3 inches from the root and tease downwards towards the root. Continue working towards your face, being sure to leave out the very front section of your hair. Apply dry spun texture spray to the teased sections and flip your hair to your preferred part. Brush out to slightly soften while maintaining volume. Pro tip: for balance, take a horizontal section on the opposite side of your part and use the same backcombing technique to help bring balance to your look. To finish, spray dry spun texture spray to mid-lengths and ends and work through. And that's a Bb.Shortcut.